This video is brought to you by Saraswati Vidyalaya Union. And hi, this is Prapti. Today we are going to study about the ecosystem and energy flow. From that, we are going to study about the types of productivity. What is productivity? That we have already seen in the last few lectures. So you can take a reference of that lecture and you can next see this one. Now see, here the thing is what now we will see about the types of productivity. Now these types of productivity, first type is there, that is known as the primary productivity. And the second one is there, that is known as the secondary productivity. Here only I will write it down, so the comparison will be easy. Secondary productivity. Now this primary productivity which takes place in what? In the producers. किसमें होता है ये? Producers में होता है. Then secondary productivity which takes place into what? Into the consumers. Okay, in this primary productivity means what? The organic matter, the production of organic matter, or the organic matter which are synthesized, by the producer, which is known as the primary productivity. Okay, or here you can say that the organic matter which are synthesized by the consumer, it is known as the secondary productivity. Okay, now in that secondary productivity and the primary productivity, this productivity which is depends, means in that producers are there, means it is not totally depends on the plants. Okay, all of you knows that the plants are preparing the food material because they are the autotrophs. Okay, but that productivity is depends on that sunlight also, means there are the many factors are important for that. For example, the temperature is one of the factor. If that there are the changes in the temperature, so of course then there will be the effect on the productivity. Then photosynthetic rate is there, so in this photosynthetic capacity of the plants, on that also the productivity is dependent. So this productivity depends on that plant species inhabiting a particular area. It also depends on the variety of the environmental factors. For example, the availability of nutrients, on that this primary productivity depends. Now this secondary productivity is there, so which is takes place in the consumers. In that consumer, again here you can say that before this we have seen what? We have seen the GPP and we have seen NPP. GPP, gross primary productivity, and NPP is what? That is net primary productivity. Here you can remember this one, GSP and NSP. Means what? Gross secondary productivity and net secondary productivity. Getting all of you? Gross secondary productivity here, gross secondary productivity, because S is given na, gross secondary productivity and the net secondary productivity. Do you remember that gross primary productivity means what? The organic matter, means production of organic matter by the process of photosynthesis, means plants are producing this biomass by the process of photosynthesis. Okay, from that plants are utilizing that GPP for the process of respiration. Okay, now we are talking about the animals. Now these animals are there. These animals cannot do, see that the plants cannot move from one place to the another place. So that's why the energy, the biomass get utilized for what? For the respiration only. क्योंकि वो यहाँ वहाँ नहीं जाती, इसलिए एनर्जी लॉस उनकी मस्कुलर मूवमेंट में नहीं जाती. But in that animals are there, these animals can move from one place to the another place. There is a continuous muscular movement takes place. Means that energy, there is a loss of energy is by what? By that movement, by the muscular movement, by the respiration also. Means first thing that you have to know, what is the gross primary productivity. Gross primary productivity means what? The organic matter which are produced by the consumer. The organic matter which are synthesized by the consumer, that is known as the gross secondary productivity. From that gross secondary productivity, the biomass get utilized for the different processes, for the movement, for the respiration. So from that GSP minus, the GSP minus, you can say that respiration, or you can say that is about the muscular movement. I will not write down, or the muscular movement. From that इतनी एनर्जी थी, इतना बायोमास था, उसमें से बायोमास, थोड़ा बायोमास फॉर रेस्पिरेशन के लिए यूज हुआ, फॉर मस्कुलर मूवमेंट के लिए यूज हुआ. सो रिमेनिंग इज व्हाट? दैट इज नोन एज द NSP. That remaining which is known as the NSP means net secondary productivity, means that available biomass for the next trophic level. Okay, that is available to consumer for the transfer to the next trophic level, that is the NSP. See that once again I'll explain you. Productivity, two types of productivity are there: primary productivity, secondary productivity. In the primary productivity, that is production of organic matter by producers, means whom? By plants. Okay, all of you knows that from the plants few biomass get utilized for the respiration, and the remaining one, it is known as the net primary productivity. Now we are talking about the secondary productivity. Means what? The organic matter which are synthesized by the consumer, या फिर तुम लोग ऐसे भी बोल सकते हो, production of organic matter by consumers. Okay, now here this by the whatever the energy from the plants, okay, from the plants that consumers are getting, that is known as the GSP, gross secondary productivity. उसमें से वो कंज्यूमर ने खुद के लिए जितनी यूज की, किस लिए यूज की? फॉर द मूवमेंट, फॉर द रेस्पिरेशन, फॉर एनी अदर वर्क. They utilize that energy, that utilize that biomass. So after utilizing it, whatever the remaining one, the available biomass is there, that is known as the net secondary productivity. That is, then it transferred to the next trophic level. This is about the productivity. So what we have seen in the productivity, that means remember this concept, gross primary productivity, net primary productivity. What is primary productivity and what is secondary productivity? Primary productivity produced in plants. Secondary productivity produced in the consumers. Okay. Thanks for watching this video. Please like, share and comment this video, and please subscribe my channel. My channel name is Prapti Vanzare. Thank you.